You know exactly who I'm talking about. That soft, excuse-making, overthinking version of you. The one that says, I'll start tomorrow. It's not you, it's your enemy. And you've let it live rent-free in your head for way too long. Every time you hit snooze, scroll instead of build, wait instead of act, that weak version of you gets stronger. You've trained it well. You've fed it with comfort, fake motivation, and endless planning. You made it believe it's in charge. But here's the truth, that version of you, it will never lead you anywhere worth going. You're not tired, you're undisciplined. You're not lost, you're just avoiding the hard shit. You don't need more time. You need to make fucking decision. Decision 1. Start doing what makes you uncomfortable, on purpose. The weak you avoids discomfort. The real you builds power in it. Decision 2. Stop negotiating with your feelings. Motivation is not required, only movement is. Decision 3. Every time your mind says, I don't feel like it, you do it anyway. That's not burnout, that's weakness screaming as it dies. Want to kill the weak you? Starve it. Starve it of comfort. Starve it of delay. Starve it of pity. And rebuild the version that shows up even when it hurts, especially when it hurts. You've wasted enough time. The old you, bury it. The stronger one is waiting. But it won't come find you. You have to show up first.